about gold diggers and gold carriers. Is there such thing as gold diggers, or is there such thing as gold carriers? Let us do the comparison of gold diggers and gold carriers of what they say. And let me know at the end what's your take on this, okay? It is said that gold diggers often takes but never gives. But gold carriers see your worth even when you're broke. Gold diggers are attracted to your shine, not your soul. But gold carriers help to mine the gold inside you. It is also stated that gold diggers want the fruits of your labor, but never help to water the seeds. Gold carriers stick around when you are dusty and dirty, not just when you're dazzling very handsomely. Gold diggers shows up when success turns up. But gold carriers, they don't just chase success, they build it with you. Gold diggers often disappear when the grind gets tough. But gold carriers, they carry the weight, not just the rewards. Tell me, what do you think? What are your thoughts? Drop it in the comments and remember to like and share.